Hello everyone, my name is Wilbert. I'm from International University Liaison Indonesia, semester 6, and today we're going to review Noodle Bangka Belitung. Let's begin. So I'm actually very curious, how did Noodle Bangka Belitung exist? So I look at the Google to find the answer. And I finally found it. It is from China country. There are two kinds of Noodle Bangka Belitung. There is unlawful and lawful. So what's the difference? The unlawful used pork meat. For the lawful used chicken meat. Although there are two kinds of lawful and unlawful, they still include orange songkir, grilled fish cake, tenggiri, dumpling with shrimp, and chicken. Mie Bangka Belitung that sell in restaurant usually use mustard green and mung bean sprout. On the other hand, that sell in wheelbarrow usually only use mustard green. Now, let's taste the Noodle Bangka Belitung. So I'm gonna remove the orange songkir with the spoon. And I will only use one orange songkir and I will squeeze it. Now I'm gonna mix it. And pour the soup. Now let's taste it. The taste is very good. However, if we use the chili, the taste will be very awesome. So we have chili tauco and chili vinegar. So let's give it a test. Let's mix it. Oh, the taste is so delicious. I love it. The combination of the chili and the noodle. This is the perfect combination. And I love it so much. I really like it. I really like it. This is the martabak. So there are many variants of martabak. For instance, chocolate, cheese, sesame, and peanut. The variant can also be combined as well. So there is cheese with chocolate and peanut with chocolate and many more. This one is the cheese martabak. So let's review it. Ooh, look at this martabak sweet. The cheese is thick. Ooh, I love it. Let's taste it. The cheese is there, the presence of the cheese, and it is sweet. I love it. I am very curious about martabak, Bangka Belitung. So I searched it at the Google, and I found out that Martabak Bangka Belitung is actually from China country. So that is why the Martabak Bangka Belitung exists. And I also found out, based on my curiosity, there are two kinds of martabak. Martabak Bangka Belitung and Martabak Bandung. So what's the difference? Martabak Bangka Belitung is thicker, while Martabak Bandung is thinner. The other differences is from the texture. Martabak Bangka Belitung is porous and fibrous, while Martabak Bandung is soft. Usually, for Martabak Bandung, in Indonesia language, they called it Martabak Bulan. For Martabak Bangka Belitung, they called it Hoklopan. Thank you everyone for watching my video of Martabak Bangka Belitung review. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell notification at my channel, press the like at my video, and also don't forget to share this video to everyone else, okay? See you everyone, farewell.